Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick Google Sheets tips like this. Today, I'll show you how to add numbers in Google Sheets. One of the most basic but essential skills you'll need for working with data. First, open Google Sheets by going to sheets.google.com in your browser. Sign in with your Google account so you can access and edit your spreadsheets. Next, open the spreadsheet you want to work in, or create a new blank one if you're starting fresh. Enter your first number into one cell, then press enter. In a different cell, enter your second number and press enter again. These are the two numbers we'll be adding together. Now, click on the empty cell where you want the result to appear. Type the equal sign to tell Google Sheets you're starting a formula. Click the first cell with your number. Type the plus sign, then click the second cell. Your formula will look something like equals A1 plus B1 if those are the cells you used. Press enter and Google Sheets will instantly calculate the sum. The result will appear in the cell you selected. That's it. You've just learned how to add in Google Sheets. This is the foundation for more advanced calculations, so mastering it now will make your spreadsheet work much easier. If you found this helpful, like this video, drop a comment and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets guides.